Hi, today I would like to talk about four great camera that fit in your pocket. It might be your trousers pocket, it might be your coat pocket, it might be your jacket pocket, whatever pocket it is. I would like to start with the oldest camera, or I'm not sure, is my favorite camera, let's say, is the Rollei 35. It is a very nice and compact camera back in the day. Compact in a sense that compact, not compact as those compact camera. So yeah, this is the Rollei 35. Is the made in Singapore version. And yes, the next camera is, and it also the biggest camera of the four, the Rollei XF35. It's a rangefinder. This is a zone finding, a zone focus camera, zone focus camera, and another zone focus camera. So this is the only rangefinder in this group. A very handsome camera, I have to say. Well, mine, the leather is peeling because of its age. The next camera is the Agfa Optima 535. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this camera. It is a very nice camera with this big orange shutter button, sensor shutter button, and it has a very big viewfinder. I do appreciate a big viewfinder. And the last of the four is the Olympus XA2. Mine is quite used, let's say. Yeah, zone focusing, a lovely camera. So let's see, if you are looking for a small, compact, and very sleek and ergonomically useful, I would go with the Olympus, because it is a shell camera, so you just slide the cover on the lens and put in your pocket right away without thinking of without even thinking twice. You can slide it in your pocket right away, and it's easy to take out because of all these rounded edges. Very compact and has a very nice lens. If you're looking for a vintage look on your camera, a compact camera, I would go with the Rollei because of its classic look. I call my camera Pinocchio because you can elongate its nose like Pinocchio. So the advantage of having, or of not having, the camera cap, as you can see, I somehow lose this guy right here. I lose the cap, and this one, the cap just pops out very easily, and the Agfa came without the cap. The only capless camera is this one right here, the Olympus. Size comparison, let's see. I'd like to compare this camera with the Olympus. As you can see, I already pop out the cap. Now there are very slightly side difference here, but the Olympus is a lot thinner than the Rollei. and lighter as well. The Rolla is the heaviest of the 4 cameras that are here today. The lightest camera of all is the Agfa. It has the simplest design of all, and well, I'm not saying that they cut corner, but there are certain pieces or body elements that are plastic, such as the winder, the button, I think some the lens as well, the barrel right here as well. So just FYI. This is, but I think the best looking camera of the 4 must be the Rolite XF35. It is the most handsome camera of my collection. I might do another video talking about black beauties. You know, like in guitars, like you have the Les Paul custom black beauty, and I also think that in the camera world, black beauties also exist. One of the black beauties is this camera right here, Rolite XF35. So, conclusion: if you're looking for a truly compact camera, a zone focusing compact camera, the Olympus is the way to go. If you're looking for a compact camera but also a vintage look, you go with the Rolite 35. If you're looking for something more industrial, something more fresh to the eyes, you go with the Agfa Optima. Or if you're looking for, if the size doesn't matter to you and you want a rangefinder, you go with the Rolite XF35 Black Beauty. Now, I know that the Olympus also produced the XA, which is a rangefinder, but I do not own it, so I cannot say much about it. People say that after a certain year of owning them, they lose the rangefinder, so the camera become obsolete. So I opt to the XA2 because it is zone focusing, so less error to be made. And well, I have to say another thing. Unfortunately, because of its size, the XA2 has a very small viewfinder. I think it is the smallest of the 4, which sometimes I find it annoying because I cannot find the viewfinder right away. But for the rest of this camera, things are okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching.